So, how many letters are there in the Tamil language, which is one of the world's oldest continuously practiced languages? Tamil has 12 vowels and 18 consonants. When you combine the 18 consonants with the 12 vowels, you get 216 Uyir vowel consonant letters. So the total becomes 12 vowels, 18 consonants, 216 vowel consonant letters. And there is also one additional, rarely used letter called Uyir. When you add everything together, Tamil has 247 letters. Tamil is also an official language in Sri Lanka and Singapore, and it is the primary language of the Tamil Nadu state in India. Do you agree or disagree with this number? What do you think about this channel, and what kind of content would you like to see in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments, and please subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more useful videos. Also, ask your friends and family to subscribe as well.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க மற்றும் உங்க நண்பர்கள் உறவினர்களுக்கு இதை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம சேனல் பிடிச்சிருந்தா இப்பவே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.